Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. How are you guys doing? Thank you for tuning in case you're new here, my name is Teresa. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in France, Lyon to be precise. So guys, this is going to be a very quick one. Yeah, I got this vacuum cleaner the last time from Action. I talked about it in my last vlog, but I forgot to open it in that vlog. So guys, I decided to do a separate video, an unboxing video just dedicated to this beauty right here. I've watched a lot of videos on it on YouTube, and they gave a very good review. So here is my own review, guys. So I got this from Action. It's a TriStar. TriStar. It's a TriStar premium vacuum cleaner, cordless flex tube. What I like about this vacuum cleaner is that you can actually put it under your chair, because it's flexible. You can bend it. So I'm going to be trying it out. You guys are going to be seeing it. Here is what it's looking like. Okay. Wow. Take a look at that, guys. Look at that brush. Beautiful. So it came with this. This is the instruction, the little instruction that came with it. And also this one. I'm tearing it already. I think this is the battery. Yeah, it's the battery pack. So this is what we are going to be charging. So guys, take a look at, wow, this is the flexibility. Yeah, take a look at that. Wow. Wow, this is nice, guys. Take a look at that. You can use this to clean your couch. Wow, beautiful. It's so beautiful. Wow, take a look at that. So here is it. I think this one is going to exactly, I think so. And then you're going to like plug here. I don't know. So we also came with these. These are little brushes. So guys, the carton is empty, and it also came with this screw. And also this one, and more instruction. Yeah, this is the instruction pamphlet. So guys, the carton is empty now. Okay, this is how you open it, and this is how you close it. Take a look at that. Wow, it's very easy to put together though. Look, I'm almost done putting it together. Welcome back. Yeah, today I had to charge it for 4 hours. That's what the instructions said. I think I won't charge it for more than 4 hours because we went out, so I had to unplug it when I came back. So let's try it out, guys. So on it, you just have to press on this place. this is where all the dirt are going into. So far so good. I would say he's doing what he's supposed to do. He's doing his job. With time, I'll still be letting you guys know if he's okay or not. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next one. Like, I love it. I love it already. Take a look at how easy it is, and it has 3 function. You have number 1, number 2, number 3. Number 3 is the highest. If you put it in number 3, it's very high, like it's just picking everything on the ground. You guys know what I mean. So let's continue. Let me finish. I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.